Cows can be lovable, but they wreak havoc when gates on fields are left open and they trespass in. Here's a really simple way of how we stop that issue on this farm. We're here at a rural property in Sussex with neighbouring cattle farms nearby. But there's a massive problem that keeps occurring at this farm. And this problem is when farmers, visitors, in the summer, naked ramblers even, when they leave the gates open, the cows get in. For anyone with experience in a rural setting, you'll know that when a herd of cows get on your patch, they are incredibly difficult to move. Wherever they go, they wreak havoc. And on this farm, some real examples. A while ago, they managed to chew through a cable to a swimming pool filter, which costed thousands of pounds to fix. They also managed to completely block the drive and car, meaning the homeowner couldn't leave the property. They even managed to allegedly disable the property's CCTV system, despite no evidence of cow play. We pointed out that that last one might have nothing to do with cows, but the homeowner swears it was them, so I guess it's a moot point. This farm has a few fields with neighbouring farms nearby, both with cattle herds. Often people leave these gates open, despite the homeowner's strict and rather harsh instructions not to. A rural electrician contacted us at RF Solutions looking to beef up security for a solution to monitor the gates at this farm and let the homeowner know which gates are left open. So this is our RIoT Door Contact Sensor. When the contacts are made or broken, it sends an RF signal either to a receiver or a sensor gateway hub. When deployed anywhere, it can be battery powered or powered from a 12-volt power supply, perhaps from a solar battery. The homeowner had these deployed at each gate that he was looking to monitor. So they talk back to a gateway, which enables them to see the live status of each gate, both from an app and on the wireless monitoring website. As farmers will know, internet is often pretty terrible on rural properties. So we've paired each of those RIoT door contact sensors to this custom indicator system. Each time a contact is broken on any of our sensors, it will radio to this receiver inside the enclosure and switch on a specific gate indicator LED. The homeowner has this enclosure mounted in the house, and so when a gate opens from a few hundred meters away, each specific indicator light comes on, telling the homeowner instantly which gate is actually open, enabling them to move out and close the gate at speed before the cows move in. Each of the sensors deployed at each gate are all several hundred meters away, with the furthest probably around a kilometre. So how do these work over that sort of distance? Well, they use something called LoRa, or spread spectrum. These can work over several kilometres. As we know, it doesn't matter how unappetizing something is. If the cows can trash it or try and eat it, they will. The cows that got into this field have been chasing me around all day, which is why I'm in this enclosure. These sensors are in an industrial style IP68 box, so are well protected from cows and the elements. The installer has tied these securely to the gate frame, which should stop the cows from damaging them. So there we have it. One wireless monitoring system monitoring several access points across a large rural property using door contact sensors to monitor gates across several fields. A solution which will help this cow-troubled homeowner keep the herd off his property. We've included links to each of these solutions in the description below. If you have any other questions on any of the solutions we've used, drop them in the comments or email us. We're here to help. Not just with cow-related problems, but any wireless switching or monitoring ones too. All in a day's work. I'd say that's a job well done.